Tell me what initiative did not come 3 months ago. Tell me which government engaged with civil society activists day and night for 3 months, involved them in an unprecedented joint drafting. But if you turn around and say that only our draft is acceptable to the world, what is the government to do? Should the government say that we will resign and wait for you at your feet unless you agree to us? You please tell me what would you do more than what has been done in the last 3 months with civil society activists, and tell me, please tell me through you, which political party will stand up and say that in future we as a political party agree that we will have joint drafting, and that when a bill becomes parliamentary property, we accept that somebody can go on a fast unto death after it has become parliamentary property.
No, but
Mr. Singhvi, answer the political question since you are asking a political question.
Mr. Singhvi, there are many who believe, and many in your party who believe that perhaps at the very outset, and the Prime Minister indicated his mind, if at the very outset the Prime Minister, if your party or the government had allowed the Prime Minister to come within the ambit of the Lokpal bill, a lot of these problems, a lot of your political problems would have been solved. This blame that is being laid at your door would not have been laid at your door.
You are entitled to your own opinions. Everybody is entitled to their own opinion. Let me tell you one thing clear. I would challenge you on this channel to get a single political party who specifically answers yes to my two questions which I am putting to you today. Question number one. Will you as a political party, I am not putting it to you, I am putting it to any political party in this country.
No, but Dr.
Will you give an undertaking that in future all legislative bills will be passed through joint drafting committees? And two, will you as a political party agree that you are prepared to have parliamentary property being challenged by a fast?
Dr. Singhvi, let me ask you a question before I let you go. The government seems confused. First, we see spokespersons and ministers at the government level direct serious charges against Anna Hazare, against Kiran Bedi. The next day, the government says, no, we don't want this to get personal. This morning, Anna Hazare is unceremoniously picked up, sent to 78 days of judicial custody. This evening, the government panics, comes under people's pressure and decides to release him. The government simply has no clue about how to deal with these civil society crusaders. You're going round and round in circles.
We don't get scared by journalistic license phrases like scared, no clue, etc. You are entitled to your subjective words. The government stand is the same. The manner of putting it may vary. The stand is in two parts. One is the Delhi police part. I have answered. Either comply or challenge. The second is the principle of it. We do not believe that fasting in this scenario is the correct form for the reasons already stated. Now on these 3 points, the government has stood firm. The government is consistent, and there is absolutely no inconsistency or flipping.
Well, there were direct allegations leveled on the issue of Lehman Brothers money being taken, on the issue of corruption, birthday parties. Next day, the government said, no, we don't want to get personal and nasty. Let's not do that. In the morning, the government picks up I have
made it clear that our fight is on principles and issues.
Yeah, but it's the same government and the same spokespersons who took a different line. It's the same government, the same spokespersons who just the day before that took a different line.
No different line. The line was the same. Different words or manner of putting it may be different. The line is exactly the same.
Well, Dr. Singhvi, the entire nation is watching, and we leave it to the wisdom of our viewers to decide whether they believe what's being said or not. For the moment, Abhishek Singhvi, National Spokesperson of the Congress Party, for joining us. Thank you very much.